Hi everyone, Nikki-san here, and today I'll be covering the brand new Acer Swift 3 laptop. This laptop boasts an all-metal chassis that weighs in at 2.65 pounds. The ultra-narrow bezels give you up to 85.73% screen-to-body ratio with up to 300 nits brightness, giving you a 14-inch Full HD IPS non-glare display. Powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 5700U mobile processor with Radeon graphics supporting DirectX 12, you can transfer data at 10 gigabytes per second. While you can connect to displays and charge external devices via the full-function USB Type-C port, power-off charging is also supported via one of the USB Type-A ports. Also, this laptop comes with dual-band Wi-Fi 6 and is equipped with DTS audio, Acer True Harmony, and AI-enhanced noise suppression, plus Acer Purified Voice technology with dual microphones. You have a quick login thanks to Windows Hello with fingerprint reader, and to top it all off, 12.5 hours of battery life. I know that was a lot, so let's take a closer look at this laptop, including a quick unboxing to just show you how easy it is to set up the Acer Swift 3 laptop. First of all, we have our power cord, an AC adapter, when you open the computer, you have a protected keyboard. All that's left to do is to turn it on.
The next version of Windows is ready for you to download and install. Whenever you're ready, select Upgrade and we'll download it in the background while you continue setting up.
I definitely love the sound of the keyboard. I love that it's backlit.
Hi everybody, this is Nikki-san testing the webcam quality on the Acer Swift 3 laptop.
Thanks for sticking around and watching the whole video. I'm Nikki-san, and this has been the Acer Swift 3 laptop.